This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry McGinn. Spacious light and bright 2/2/1 home features an updated maple kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, breakfast area, formal dining room, living room west/corner fireplace and family room. Master bath shower is all tile and guest bath features tub/shower combo with tile surround. Additional living space includes an enclosed Florida room looking out to the large fenced-in yard, perfect for pets. The landscape features beautiful palm trees and other plantings, adding character and charm to this well-maintained home. Fully applianced, including washer and dryer. Quick closing possible. Call today to arrange an easy showing of this home while mortgage rates are at their all-time low. For more information, review the details below.